Hi there, thanks so much for being a part of Filoli's membership program. Here, we'll show you how to register online as a member, purchase discounted Holidays at Filoli tickets as a member, and purchase additional tickets with your member discount. The first step, if you haven't already done so, is registering on the Filoli website. To start, go to any tickets page, click Register, and use the email, home address, and name that is registered with your membership. You can find this on your membership card. Our system will recognize you by your email address. Make sure your name and address are exactly the same as the one on your membership card. If these are consistent and you receive a notification that you are not a member, please email membership@filoli.org to confirm your associated email address. It will prompt you to create a password. You will only need to register one time. Once you are finished registering, you can click the button that says Sign In, also in the top right-hand corner. A pop-up window will appear. Go ahead and enter the same email address and password that you just created or that you previously created. Click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you'll see your email address displayed in the top right-hand corner where the Sign In button used to be. Once you're signed in, hover over the ticket button again and select which time you would like to plan a visit for. During Holidays at Filoli, members receive a 20% discount on both daytime and evening tickets. When you're at the right time, go ahead and select the date that you'd like to plan a visit. If a date is grayed out and you can't click it, it means that that date is sold out. Please select another date. Once you've picked your date for admission, add however many tickets you need and select Add to Cart. On the next page, you will see your member discount applied. If everything looks correct, you can enter your payment information and check out. You will receive a separate email confirmation as well as e-tickets that you'll need to present at check-in on the email associated with your membership. We hope this helps, and thanks again for being a Filoli member. If you need additional assistance, please contact our membership department at membership@filoli.org. Happy holidays.